Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make the educational video about the skill to be a market research analyst, and here we will use the Pictory AI. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, here I will use the Pictory AI, I'm sorry, to create the video. And don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this will be the home page of this Pictory AI. And as you can see, that this AI will help you to transform a video from the text, URL, the image, even the PowerPoint file. And also you can do the video editing and also the recording, guys. And for the new user, don't worry because they will give you 14 days free trial, and these are 4 days free trial left I have now. And for example, I will show you how to create the video from the URL. I will click this section or this option, URL to video, and after that I will copy this link from the Rosenberg research about the essential skills for market research analyst. Thank you, Rosenberg Research. Don't forget to open and visit this website, guys. And after that, I will go back to this Pictory AI and paste the link I have copied before. And for example, the platform, I will choose the YouTube here to present it or to post it. And for the video, I prefer to choose it from to become or the length of the video to become 1 minute until 5 minutes. It's enough. And I will continue to generate the script. But if you would like to add the additional information such as the location and also the market condition, and it is okay. But if not, then you can just keep it and you can continue to generate the script and let this AI to generate every single scene that will be presented into the video. And finally, after waiting for maybe 1 minute, so this will be the script that will be read or will be presented into the video, guys. And if you'd like to rephrase it, then you can click this, and you can also change to be shorten the script or lengthen, and also change the tone over here. And as you can see, the estimated duration will be 3 minutes and 47 seconds. And also the ratio, I will choose 16 and 9, and I will continue to generate the video. And this script will be transformed into every single scene that also show you the picture that present about the message of the script itself. Kindly wait for the process because it also depends on the complexity of your script and also the connection. So make sure that your connection is good. And after waiting for a while, the previous process will bring you into this section. As you can see, there are several scenes that already made by this AI, even until 52 scene. Ooh, that's a lot. And as you can see, the every single scene over here also show you the script. And if you would like to that this script being read by or being narrated by the actor or dubber, you can click the audio over here and choose the narrator. For example, Callum, you can continue to click this preview to listen up about how his voice is. And also, if you would like to, then you can generate and apply. So the voice will be narrates every single scene over here. And if you're okay about this video, then you can continue to download it with or without the watermark. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.